So now we are going to see that similar way, like how the projectile motion will be from top to down. So for this, the inclined surface, which we already studied a long back, the same thing will come. So only a slight changes between down to top and top to down. Nothing else is there. So now we are going to take the projectile motion from where to where, everybody? From, yes, please. Top to down. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. Now I will draw the inclined surface. Everybody draw the inclined surface. Proceed now. So this is the inclined surface with the theta. So we all people knows that. So now I have been projected the body. So this is the triangle. Sorry, inclined surface. You can imagine. So here is the theta. Clear? Okay, everybody? All of you? Now the body is projected like this. With what angle? Everyone? With the what angle, Ra? With the alpha angle. Then the body will reach us to the maximum height at certain place and it will be come back to the same thing. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, in this case, you tell me, as we all knows that G is always acting downward direction and perpendicularly to that. G cos theta, G sin theta. G cos theta. Yes or no? All of you. And this body is acting like this means this is with initial velocity. So then perpendicularly to this. So what will happen? Perpendicularly to this, something will come. Y-axis. So y-axis is what? U sin alpha, U sin cos alpha. All of you. This is Y. So what will happen, Ra? U sin alpha. And here what will happen? This will become U
Cos alpha.
cos alpha. And acceleration in Y direction, I found it. Now acceleration in X direction, it will act what? Like this direction. Am I right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rudreswa? That is what. Now, you tell me, before case acceleration in X direction is acting like this, that is what we have written, minus X direction. Now acceleration is acting like this direction. So now I will rotate in theta degrees like this. Then this is considered as plus xa minus xa. That is I want it. Plus xa minus xa. Indra? So, G sin theta, when top to down, G sin theta positive or negative or? Everybody. G sin theta is, yes, positive. But
Positive.
down to top means G sin theta is what?
Negative.
Negative. That is the only change. Understand, Laksha? The only difference is in top to down to top. Now x-axis and y-axis, if you write initial velocity is what? U cos alpha. Respond, Ra. And y direction, what is that initial velocity? U
Sin alpha.
and here acceleration is acting plus x direction. So that is why here plus sin theta. But in y direction still it is acting what direction? Minus y direction. So minus y only. So that is why it is minus g cos theta. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. But down to top means here acceleration in x direction also what will come? Everybody. Acceleration in x direction also what will come? Monish, Mara, Samyan Manya. Yes, that is what. So
Yes,
that is
sir.
also it is. So now, so if you do this again, time formula is same. 2u sin alpha. Respond everybody. 2u sin alpha divided by cos theta. Same will come. So which is equals to ground to ground. If you compare, what will come? 2 initial velocity in y direction divided by acceleration in y direction. Am I right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you want for free, you can try this derivation also. Same way for maximum height also. Maximum height in y direction or x direction? Everybody. Maximum height in y direction. So in this case also, so u square alpha divided by 2g cos theta, which is equals to what? Initial velocity in y direction. Sorry, u square, I think. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So u square divided by 2 into gy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
2 into gy. So this is what? So this is also same. But what about the range? So range now small changes. So for this one, top to down, if I draw the x-axis and y-axis, so all of you observe very carefully. I have been projected the body with some alpha angle. Am I right, everyone? Yes, everybody. So alpha angle I projected is going like this. So top to down or down to top, everybody. Yes, please.
Top to down.
Top to down. Then here, what is the initial velocity, Ishali? U cos alpha.
U
And here, what is the velocity? Everybody, U
sin alpha.
sin
Sin
alpha.
alpha.
Observe very carefully. Now, acceleration in y direction, always negative only, of course. You have been found it. So, what is the answer? Acceleration in y direction, G cos theta. But acceleration in x direction acting positive y direction, positive x direction, positive y direction, everybody.
Positive.
Positive or
Positive
negative?
x
Not positive y direction. Positive x direction or positive positive negative x direction or
Positive
Positive
X
x
direction.
direction. So positive x direction. So that is why here it is G sin theta. Positive or negative? G sin theta.
Positive.
Positive. Am I clear? Understand Rudreswa, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
That is what. But in down to top, that acceleration in x direction is acting minus x plus x
Minus X.
minus x. That is the only difference.
Minus x.
Am I clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes,
you? That is so please be very careful. Down to top, this alone G sin theta will come here. Remaining 3 remains constant. Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So if it is top to down, like this will come. So let us find the range. So range means complete time. So we all knows that range means this is fully. So from here to here, wherever it is, or till here only. So that is what range we have to horizontal range. So initial velocity equals to that is what R. So x direction or y direction, everybody. We have to
X
consider
direction.
x direction. So
X
x direction,
direction.
tell me, all of you. X direction you have to tell me. I should not say. So எல்லாமே தெரியுமா? Range means everybody knows or don't know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can notice it. So this is only the range fully till here. So that is what you have to find it. So x direction. So what is the velocity in x direction? Everybody. Initial velocity.
U cos alpha.
U cos alpha. Acceleration in x direction. Plus g.
E sin theta.
Then if you do this, so we'll get the time. Time already we know. What is that? 2u. I said the same formula. 2u sin alpha divided by others.
G
cos
G
theta.
cos theta.
Understand? So we all knows that S is now. So apply the second equation of motion. Sx equals to what? Ux plus half ax t square.
AX
Okay, that is what. So
UXT.
uxt. So remember that if you no need to remember the range formula, but you can always solve the range, calculate the range by knowing the what? Initial velocity in x direction, initial velocity, acceleration in x direction, like before somehow you did same way. Is it okay, guys? Everybody
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
understand? Here how we solved same way. We have to find initial velocity and as well as acceleration, and we have to substitute in second equation of motion. That's all. We don't need to struggle anything. Is it okay, guys? Everyone? That's all.
Yes,
So
sir.
you keep on substituting. Now
Yes, sir.
substitute R is equals to initial velocity how much? U cos
R.
alpha into
U cos alpha.
time value how much? 2u sin
2U
U
sin
sin
alpha. G cos theta.
G cos theta plus G 1 by 2 into, so G, what is that? G sin theta into T square
Sin
value.
theta.
T square value 2 sin alpha divided by G cos
G
theta
cos
whole
theta.
square.
whole square. Okay. So now, just now today only we solved. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Same way, everybody, if you start continuing, so you can notice it. You'll get a formula. Finally, very simple. Only your small changes will come. That is the thing. So you continue the solving everything. So
Minus.
finally, the range formula R is equals to same formula like that. 2u square sin alpha divided by G cos square theta. Understanding? Here we got for that one down to top. What we got it? We got it cos alpha plus theta.
Plus
Here will come alpha minus theta.
minus.
So that is the only difference which you people will get. Remaining everything same. I hope you can able to solve it or not. Everybody, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you all please must try. Definitely you people can make it. Everybody is necessary to do this. Everyone should solve it. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula will come? Cos alpha minus beta. Clear? Or cos alpha minus theta. That's what you have to remember. Any doubt? Anyone can ask. Okay, Ra?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So only small change. So what is the change? For everything you can make it. All the things. So from the top to down to top or the top to down. So everything is very simple. So you have to remember that from down to top, you can see everywhere same. Only range in the formula will come. What is will come? R is equals to everybody 2u square sin alpha
2u
divided
Sin alpha
by
G
cos
cos
square theta.
Cos alpha plus
Cos square
theta.
theta
Plus
equals cos
theta.
alpha plus theta. Okay, and here
Yes, sir.
alpha minus theta. So that's the only thing. Is it okay, guys? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Cos alpha plus theta.
No, few days
Alpha
before,
minus theta.
yeah, few days before I have shared you the mathematics formulas. Do you remember that? More from one book, big book I have shared. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in that you can see that cos alpha minus beta, what is the formula is there. So you all can see that and learn it and then you proceed it. Clear? That is the formulas. If you know, unless you know the formula, we cannot do anything. So we have to learn all the trigonometric formulas and all the things always. So this is the only difference between down to make and that is cos alpha minus theta only knows. Yes, Laksha, cos alpha minus theta. This is alpha minus theta and this is alpha plus theta. Remaining range and as well as maximum height and time of flight is both are same. Okay, guys. So there's no changes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so for you people, I will one clue also I will give you. All of you observe very carefully. The homework question which I will give you, I will send you. For example, a ball is thrown with already with inclined surface 37 degrees. Again, a ball has been thrown with 53 degrees. So now you tell me, what is the range, expected range? Rudreshwar, be smart and tell me, what is the range, possible range, if a ball is thrown from inclined surface, which is having a 37 degrees. So what is the range, expected range will come? Anyone can tell me? If I rotate, approximately if I rotate it, theta, if I rotate it, then it will become almost like a what? 37 plus 53, which is equals to what?
90 degree. 90 degree.
So 90 degrees means, what is the range, brothers? What is the range? Range means x direction. So ball is thrown vertically upward. So what will happen? What is the range?
0.
Yeah, ball will go like this and again the ball will be coming same place. So in this case, all of you remember, range will become what? Everybody?
0.
Range will become, yes or no? Range will become 0. Understanding? So, but it will attain the maximum height somewhere. Suppose if the ball is thrown like this, the ball will reach us to maximum here, but again it will come back to the same place. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
suppose when you are solving the question, I found that the maximum height attained by the body is actually it is making a complete projectile motion. It is not making complete projectile motion. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yeah. So suppose maximum height it will reaches by the body is 4 meters. Means in the sense of, then this will become how much? This is the 4 means this will become what? 3 meters.
3
And
meter.
from the ground, what is the height reached by the body?
5 meter.
5 meters. But actually projected from the inclined surface, what is that? From the inclined surface?
4 meter.
4 meters. Clear, Amma? Understand, Laksha, this one? Very important.
Yes, sir.
Aswita, Manya and Samaya, very important this one. Okay, wa? So like this question, immediately you will get it. You will understand it. Okay. So if already inclined surface is with 37 degrees with the surface, And if I project the ball with a 53, so is it possible to make the projectile motion, everybody? Is it
No,
possible
sir.
to make the projectile
No,
motion?
sir.
No, we cannot make the projectile motion. So one and only way is what? Ball will comes again to the same position. So by the time from the ground, the distance traveled by the body is different. From the inclined surface, the different travel by the body is different. Do you all understand, everybody? All of you
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes. So that is what you have to do.
Yes.
Anybody having any problem? So like this problem, immediately you will receive now. So you solve that problem and then only you can sleep. Okay. Sai Karthik, understood? Manya, no response. Manya also. So everything. So this is what difference between down to top, top to down. So this is all about projectile motion. So 3 projectile motions we studied. What is that, everybody? One is ground to ground. Next one is what? From a certain height. And the third one is what? Third one is inclined surface.
Inclined.
So inclined
Inclined.
surface, again 2 things. What is the inclined surface? 2 things, everybody.
Down to
Down to the top.
Down to top and top to down. So
Down to down, top to
both the
down.
time of flight and horizontal maximum height is same. So one and only difference is what?
range.
Range.
Range. Okay. That's clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's
Yes, sir.
okay. So with this will stop. So mostly 100% tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'll take the circular motion. So that is very important one. So maximum will try to finish it. If suppose circular motion is over, this chapter is over. So now your duty is you have to solve it and you have to prove it. You have to make it everything happens. That is what is necessary. So almost 3 chapters over. So 4th chapter definitely will start by the next week. So that 100% will try to complete it. Maximum by June month we'll finish the 4th chapter also even. So we can have plenty of time. So focus on the work and try to finish it. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow's class.